Hi, this is Olga with Jazz, loud and clear, your voice in logistics, and this is Friday. And today I would like to talk about counterfeit drugs, deliberately and fraudulently produced medication, mislabeled with respect to identify source to make it appear to be a genuine product. Counterfeit medications include drugs that contain wrong amount of APIs, active pharmaceutical ingredient, a wrong API or no API at all, contaminants, or just repackaged expired products. Counterfeiting can apply to both branded pharmaceuticals and their less expensive generic counterparts. The value of the counterfeit drug market annually reaches $200 billion. For decades, fake drugs and their effects were mostly a problem in developing and low-income countries where most people don't have access to drugs, vaccines, and medical devices that are readily available in developed countries. This vacuum, along with the loose regulation in some places, has created markets for counterfeits. Now, thanks to emergence of online pharmacies, countries around the world are struggling with the fake drugs and their effects. And this problem is even more widespread and tragic. The United drug supply is among the safest in the world. We have federal and state laws that create a closed drug distribution system to help ensure that the domestic drug supply is safe. FDA is implementing key provision to Drug Supply Chain Security Act, which outlines steps to achieve interoperable electronic tracing of product at the package level to identify and trace certain prescription drugs as they are distributed in the United States. Despite all the efforts, it is estimated that approximately 1% of counterfeit medications are sold in the United States. And most US counterfeit medications are purchased online. However, others have infiltrated legitimate supply chains and exposed us to drugs that may be counterfeit, stolen, contaminated, or otherwise harmful. An estimated 80% of counterfeit drugs come from overseas. Common counterfeiting targets are high-demand, expensive medication, such as various chemotherapeutic drugs, antibiotics, vaccines, erectile dysfunction drugs, weight loss aids, hormones, steroids, antivirals, and anti-anxiety drugs. Jazz always puts patient safety as top priority, and we have implemented a security management program to ensure that the company adheres to the local, state, and federal rules and regulations. Jazz also is a proud member of RX 360, International Pharmaceutical Supply Chain Consortium, which addresses pharmaceutical and medical supply chain security in relations to public health concerns and patient safety. We diligently work together with our air and ocean carriers, truckers, vendors, suppliers, subcontractors to protect our pharma and healthcare customers, brand equity, reputation and revenue stream, but most importantly, patient safety. Thank you for watching and have a great weekend.